How to fix Dota 2 Valve anti-cheat was unable to verify that your machine is secure. So if you want to fix the problem, then what you need to do is, to do this, we need to right click on the Steam and go with open file location. Once you open the file location of the Steam, if it does not open the file location, you need to again right click on it and then go with open file location again. Once you open the file location, you'll get this kind of interface. Now what you need to do is just right click on it and then go with the properties option. And after that, click on compatibility from the top and then tick on run this program as an admin, which is right here. So once you click that, you need to click on apply and then go with OK. Once you've saved the changes, now the second step we need to do is verify Dota's file. To do that, you can open up your Steam. And if you're facing a problem while loading your Steam, then it might be because of we changed the Steam's compatibility settings. What you need to do is tick on do not show again and then click on continue. Now to verify the Dota's file, what you need to do is just go with your games and you need to open up your Dota 2. So in my case, I don't have that game. I'll be just showing you an example. So what you need to do is just simply click on the game, which is Dota 2. Right click on it and then go with properties. Under properties, you will have installed files. Under installed files, you will have an option of verify. You just need to simply click on verify and you need to verify. And that might take some time because the game is big. And after verifying the game, now you can check if the problem is solved or not. But if that doesn't solve your problem, then what you need to do is just right click on it and then you need to uninstall it and again go with install or download and you need to again download that. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.